This is June with New Orleans Potions, and this morning I'm going to show you how to make a real simple nail polish. I already put my label on here, and I already put my mixing beads in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to put my base. So we're going to put a nice funnel in here, and I'm going to use my dash. Okay, we're going to put a dash of base, and what this is extender white. It's a blend of mica powder and titanium dioxide. So that's going to color my base. Okay, so we got that in there. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is now we're going to put color. So I wanted to make this one called, let's see, this is the strawberry pink. So I'm going to put 2 dashes of strawberry pink. Okay, and that's pretty much it. When I get into some other videos, I'm going to show you how to blend some colors to make a lot of different colors. But for right now, these are the ones I'm starting with because they're the simplest. They're the easiest to do. Okay, we got that in there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the pigments and mica powder with 91% alcohol. And I put just enough in there to make it liquidy so I can shake it. So that's what I'm going to do right now is shake that. And it's not, usually I go by, if you hear the beads, you can tell if you have enough alcohol. So I'm going to give it another squirt. And that did it. And we're going to shake this up. And once you shake this up, then that pretty much tells you what your color is going to be. So, like I said, there's no bad color, so we're going to go with this. I could add more mica powder to it if I want, but I think that's fine. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the base. And once I had put that white base in there, that's what makes the color opaque so you cannot see through it. So we're going to pour this. And I kind of drip a little bit on the side of the bottle so I can see where I'm filling it to. If you overflow, you can either use a dropper to take some out, or you can just pour a little out. And then I fill right to the neck of the bottle. Okay, and then these are the little brushes. I get most all my supplies come from TKB Trading, and I like to fan this out and kind of clean it because there's a glue that sticks the brush together. So you slip that in, and then you twist the top, and when you do that, it pushes the brush into the top. And then we shake it again. And when this is done, you have polish. I mean, this is ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it. I put a base coat on here already, so I'm just going to paint this real quick to show you what the color looks like. That was pretty quick. And I use these polishes at work, and they dry really fast. So let's see if we can get this to dry fast enough so you can see it. Hopefully that's dry enough, so let's see what happens. Okay, and I'm going to call that strawberry pink. And these are some labels, craft labels I had printed from Avery.com. And that is your strawberry pink. This is June with NewOrleansPotions.com.